Do you love deviled eggs? I'm gonna show you an easy way to make your deviled eggs look so pretty that everybody is gonna compliment you on them. They're easy to do with a couple of fun tools, and they're delicious too. I have two different tools to help make your deviled eggs look really fancy. First, the crinkle cutter. It's got a wavy design, and if you want to have that little rippled effect, hold your hand over the top, support your egg, and then just press straight down. And you'll have this little wavy edge, which is really pretty, okay? The other option is to use the decorative food cutter, which is super fun. You're going to just drop your egg in there and then give it a twist. And then when you pull it out, you'll see your egg is shaped like a tulip. Now to get the bottom one out, you can use the little cone that comes with it to pop it straight out. There we are. One thing about the decorative food cutter is that this piece here is adjustable. So you can see it's got different heights that you can put in there depending on if you're using it on a potato or a cucumber. And so you can just play with the height of it depending on your food. In the case of these eggs, I want the cut to go about the halfway point. So I've got it set just a little bit lower. You can mash your yolks with a fork. I like to use my twist and chop. So if you haven't made deviled eggs before, what you want to do is just kind of gently push from the white and just kind of spread it open, and your yolk should fall right out. So here we go, okay? Just dump it. And then you have this little shell that will hold our mixture. Simple ingredients today for my deviled eggs. To a dozen eggs, I have a half a cup of mayo, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of mustard. You can use any kind you want, just always shake it first. You know, that first squirt sometimes gives you a little liquid you don't necessarily want. And then you can use some white vinegar, or I'm gonna grab a teaspoon of pickle juice. I love that extra flavor in there. And then salt and pepper. So this is our electric salt and pepper. I'm gonna push the button here and it comes right out. I love doing that. These grinders are so fun. Okay, now we're gonna whip this up until it's nice and creamy. I love very creamy deviled eggs, so that's why I like to use my electric twist and chop. Watch the post in the center, it moves up and down to give it a perfect mix. I have my eggs in the cool and serve square tray. This is the large one. These white packs are blue ice packs. Just store them in your freezer and they will stay cold for 5 to 6 hours. So your eggs will be food safe cold the whole time. When you're ready to fill them, just take your bag and start at the top and just squeeze that yolk down until it just about comes out. You'll see it. We don't want air pockets. There we go, do you see it? Okay, now once it's at that point, take your Twix-It clip, it comes with it, and just clip it. It gives you an extra place to grab. So when you're filling these, you might be tempted to do a big swirl. Just give it a little press. Bring your tip close to the base, and then just lift up and pull back. I always worry that I'm not gonna have enough yolk, but you know what? We've added other ingredients and the yolks are fluffy, so there's always enough. I like to do something that's red because it just adds a little pop of color. You can do regular paprika if you want to. What would you top yours with? Would you go with like sliced pickles or olives or capers? Or more like this? Awesome. Don't those look pretty? It's an easy appetizer, it's budget friendly, and everybody will love them. One little tip for you, if you don't have our large cool and serve square tray, and you notice your eggs want to kind of tip over, you can actually slice a tiny little piece off of the white and it will lay flat. I hope you give these a try.